100 million people are using AI completely wrong. They paste random text into ChatGPT, cross their fingers, and hope the answer isn't hallucinated. But there's a tool Google built that flips this entire approach on its head. It only answers from your documents. It cites every single claim, and it can turn your research into podcasts, videos, mind maps, and slide decks automatically. It's called NotebookLM. And after this video, you'll never research the same way again. So, what exactly is NotebookLM? Think of it as your personal AI research assistant. But unlike ChatGPT or Claude, it doesn't hallucinate. Here's why. NotebookLM uses something called Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. You upload your own documents, PDFs, Google Docs, YouTube videos, even handwritten notes, and the AI becomes an expert on your sources only. Every answer comes with inline citations that link back to the exact paragraph in your documents. It's powered by Google's Gemini model with a 1 million token context window. That's roughly 500,000 words of your content analyzed simultaneously. No more based on my training data, just answers grounded in facts you trust. Getting started takes 30 seconds. Go to notebooklm.google, sign in with your Google account, and click Create New Notebook. You'll see two panels, the source panel on the left where your documents live, and the chat panel on the right where you ask questions. The studio panel at the bottom is where the magic happens. First, add sources. Click the plus icon and you can upload files, paste a URL, connect Google Drive, or even drop in a YouTube link. Notebook LM instantly indexes everything and shows you a source guide, a summary of each document with key topics highlighted. Notebook LM supports an incredible range of source types: PDFs and Word documents, perfect for research papers and reports, Google Docs and Sheets, live synced from your drive, YouTube video URLs. It pulls the full transcript automatically, audio and video files, MP3, MP4, WAV, transcribed and indexed, images and screenshots, including handwritten notes using OCR, web URLs, paste any article, and it's added to your knowledge base. CSV files for data analysis. On the free plan, you get 50 sources per notebook. Pro users get 300. Ultra goes up to 600. Each source can be up to 1 million tokens, about 700 pages of text. That means a single notebook can hold thousands of pages of research, all instantly searchable. The chat interface is where Notebook LM really shines. Ask any question and the AI responds with inline citations, little numbered badges that link directly to the source paragraph. Click a citation and it highlights the exact text in your document. You're never guessing whether the AI made something up. But here's what most people miss: custom personas. You can tell Notebook LM to adopt a specific role. Be a patent attorney reviewing these filings, or be a college professor explaining this to a freshman. The AI adjusts its vocabulary, depth, and focus accordingly. The full 1 million token context window means it can reason across your entire source library in a single response. Ask it to find contradictions between two research papers, or synthesize findings from 10 different reports. It handles it all. Audio overviews are what made Notebook LM go viral. Click one button and your documents transform into a podcast style conversation between two AI hosts. They banter, they make analogies, they crack jokes. It genuinely sounds like a high quality radio show, not a robotic summary. A conversation that makes complex topics actually enjoyable to listen to. Listen while you commute, while you exercise, while you cook. You can customize the experience. Choose from 10 visual styles, including classic, whiteboard, anime, watercolor, and kawaii. Want a 5-minute overview of a 200-page paper? Done. Want hosts that focus specifically on methodology flaws? You can guide the conversation before generation. The free plan gives you 3 audio overviews per day. Pro users get 20. This single feature has replaced podcast apps for thousands of researchers. If audio overviews blew your mind, video overviews will break it. Notebook LM can generate full video summaries of your sources, narrated slideshows that visualize key concepts. But the real game changer dropped in March 2026. Cinematic video overviews, powered by 3 AI models working together. Gemini 3 acts as creative director, Veo 3 handles animation, and Nano Banana Pro generates visuals. These aren't slideshows anymore. They're fully animated, immersive videos with fluid transitions and rich detail. Gemini makes hundreds of structural and stylistic decisions to tell the best possible story from your sources. Currently available to Google AI Ultra subscribers. This is the future of how we'll consume research. The studio panel is Notebook LM's secret weapon. Beyond audio and video, you get 6 more creation tools: mind maps, instant visual summaries showing how concepts connect across your sources. Click any node to dive deeper. Slide decks generate presentation ready slides from your documents, then iterate with prompts like make slide 3 more visual or add a comparison table. Export as PowerPoint or Google Slides. Flashcards and quizzes, perfect for students. Upload your textbook. Generate a study set in seconds. Infographics, transform data heavy content into visual graphics. Reports, structured summaries with sections, headers, and citations. Data tables, extract and organize information into structured formats. Every output includes citations back to your source material. One click to generate, one more click to refine. Deep research takes Notebook L from assistant to analyst. Instead of answering a single question, deep research performs multi step investigations across your entire source library. It formulates sub questions, searches through your documents, synthesizes findings, and delivers a comprehensive research brief, complete with citations and evidence chains. Think of it as a research assistant that reads everything in your notebook and writes the analysis for you. Free users get 10 deep research queries per month. Pro gets 20. Ultra gets over 100. For academics, lawyers, and analysts, this is the feature worth the subscription alone. Here are the most powerful use cases. Students upload lecture notes, textbooks, and papers, then generate flashcards, quizzes, and audio overviews for exam prep. Researchers load competing papers, find contradictions, and synthesize findings into structured briefs. Content creators feed in interview transcripts and get structured talking points, podcast scripts, and video outlines. Professionals upload onboarding docs and technical manuals. New employees get up to speed in hours, not weeks. Lawyers analyze contracts, compare clauses, flag inconsistencies. Writers build world building vaults, track character arcs, identify plot holes. And teachers create study guides, quizzes, and interactive mind maps for any curriculum. Notebook LM has 4 tiers: free, DSU, 100 notebooks, 50 sources each, 50 chats per day, 3 audio overviews, and 10 deep research queries per month. More than enough to try it. Google AI Plus, 7.99 per month, doubles everything with 100 sources per notebook. Google AI Pro, 19.99 per month, the sweet spot. 500 daily chats, 300 sources, 20 audio overviews per day. Google AI Ultra, 249.99 per month for power users. 5,000 daily chats, 600 sources, cinematic video overviews, and over 100 deep research queries. For teams, Notebook LM is included in Google Workspace business plans starting at $14 per user per month. Notebook LM is the AI tool that actually respects your data. No hallucinations, every claim cited. Your documents, your knowledge, your AI research partner. If this course helped you, smash that subscribe button. We break down the most powerful AI tools every single week. Drop a comment telling me which Notebook LM feature you're going to try first. And share this with someone who still pastes random text into ChatGPT. I'll see you in the next one.